We're back with another knife review. Today we're going to redo a knife which was the Artisan Proponent we've done before, but these are in different materials and a different price range, so we wanted to go over them with you so you would have a chance to see them. So these are the Artisan Proponent with 4-inch blades, and they're with G10 handles. So let's get started. We'll start with the, let's use the gray one. Let's go ahead and close these up so we don't lose our hand while we're doing this. As you can tell, this is a very large and impressive knife. We'll do some specs. It is a little over 9 inches in overall length, a little over 5 inches closed, and 4 inches is the blade. The blade is D2 with a stone wash finish. Of course, the handles are G10 with the Artisan orange pivot cover. It is a full tang knife with a see-through chassis, satin finish on the blade with a, I guess, sandblasted polished blade. Has a thumb stud, and a very large one at that, for opening, as well as a flipper. This is an overall impressive knife. Has a reversible pocket clip, which is tip up carry. A ceramic ball bearing for the pivot. So this is the Artisan Proponent. At one point it was referred to as the Fulcrum, but that was changed. This knife was also designed by Dirk Pinkerton. Let you get a look at him there, and then we'll go ahead and show you the knife in action. Bring out some paracord and give us plenty of room to get the blade in there. As you can tell, this blade is going to rip right through the paracord. No fraying there. We'll show it here on some. This is going to have a feature that I do like. The jimping on top gives you good control of the blade. And I'm not pressing. I'm just letting the knife set down. If I press, I'm sure it will cut right on through, but it'll also cut right on through my board. As you can tell there, it cuts very easily, and it's going to cut through the cardboard quickly and easily. As you can tell, it doesn't really matter where it touches, it's cutting. So, not only is it an impressive knife, it is also usable, which is very important. If I'm going to carry a knife like this, which I do have a couple of these already, I'm going to use it. So, once again, this is the Artisan Proponent. Comes in 4 styles. Well, the G10 with the D2 steel comes in 4 styles. The Proponent overall comes in about, I think it's 16 different styles, from all the way from S35VN to titanium handles. Numerous varieties. I'll hold this up here for you to see again. So once again, this is a manual flipper. It can easily be one-handed. I haven't tried to use the thumb stud yet, but not bad. Probably need to loosen it up a little bit. Alright. So for those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly giveaway and all kinds of knife content, reviews, and a weekly show. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife, and you can win a free knife. We give away knives every week, as well as our knife content. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.